Hey, they're moving. Squad team! Oh, he's in the window right there. Yeah. Ha! You get him? Gotcha! One, two, three, four, five. Sorry about that.
Well done. Yeah. Oh, we're fucking.
He's on our team.
Multicam. Oh, I can't tell.
You just killed us.
I didn't see that.
It's okay.
No, you sent me the plate carrier.
See, it's okay. I barrel tagged him before he got me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Well, dude.
I'm sorry, guys. It looked like you guys were.
Yeah, well, look forward to your court martial when we get back.
AJ, if you were a dick, what kind of dick would you be?
I'd be one of those slanted ones that do the most damage.
That's not going to be. Yeah, it's going to be in the video. That's going to be in the video. Coming! Can someone drag him over here? Drag him in. Come on in. In, boy. I'm here.
One of those moments, Bart, you just run forward.
Ah, running forward. Don't know where we're going. Someone dropped the gun. And Nathan dropped the mag. He got the mag from Nathan. This is fun. He's got the mag. Here, good.
I don't want you to take my bed. I don't want you to make my bed. I don't want you to mind you. I just want to make love to you. I don't want you to be no slave. I don't want you to work all day. I don't want you to be saying
Is that loud?
I just want to make love to you. I can tell by the way that you baby talk. I can see by
What
the way
team? He's like, oh,
Mark,
damn.
look where you started, you son of a bitch.
Can I shoot him? Let me shoot him again.
No. Shoot him.
Shoot him, Mark.
We're multicam. We're multicam. Hey, we're on
What?
your team. You hit him. You hit him.
Really? I don't care.
Hey,
I get my ear.
Yep.
No.
You're on Zubicam. What?
That's what that is, Zubicam.
switch and walk. I can tell